Hello, glad to see you back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an infinite logo carousel on your Wix editor. Now this logo carousel especially works if you have sponsors or you want to show the logos of the businesses that support you or any other case. So here I'm just going to add a section very quick so that the carousel is just on this section. Of course, you can adjust the section size however you want it to be. And then after that, you go to your left-handed menu here, click on the add this plus icon that says add element, and then you're going to gallery, and we're going to add our infinite carousel from the gallery. Now for the carousel, it needs to be a slider gallery, so you're going to click on slider gallery and choose which slider gallery works for you. Now if you want the infinite one and the logo one, it's better to use this slider with the spheres and insert the pictures of the logos inside these spheres. So I'm going to push these. So here we have our slider. Of course, you can click and choose to stretch it so that it's on your whole page. After that, of course, you can adjust the size however you want it to be and how much you want them to show. So for example, I'm just gonna show multiple pictures. So here I'm just resizing it. And after that, we're going to click on change images and then insert the images of the logos that we want. So here is the here are the images in our gallery. We're going to just delete these and insert the ones that we want, so the logo ones, and then click on add images. Okay, so here I did not upload any logo images because this video is just for show, but I'm just going to type logo here and see what Wix has on logos and add things from that. For example, I'm just going to add this one, this, so you can select multiple ones. Just click on Shift and it's going to select multiple pictures. So I'm just going to add these first and then add the rest. So here are the images. We're going to add other images. Again, you can just type logo, and of course you have to add the logos that you want, but this is just for an example. So here I'm just going to see other logos. For example, click on Shift and then select the others. So here are the logos. After you add them to your gallery, just click on Done. After that, as you can see, here are the logos. You can change how these pictures fit the sphere. So here we have a 1:1, we have a 4:1. So you can choose one where they fit your gallery, and then you can change the spacing between the logos. After that, you're going to click on settings right here, and here are the images. How does this gallery play? You make sure to have this activated in a loop, and then you can change the speed. Of course, try to make it the speed kind of slow so that your website visitors can actually see the logos. Here you can also change how the images are resized. So for example, this is for fit in case the image does not fit into your picture. And that's basically how you add carousel or an infinite carousel logo on your website. So we're going to preview it right here and see how it works. So here is our infinite carousel. As I said, make sure that the speed is slow so that your website visitors can see the logos. So this is actually a perfect speed. It was in 4, and this is how you add it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.